All right, so we're going to put together the coin-eating robot kit. Let's start by taking everything out of the package, see what we've got. Nice Ziploc package with all the parts and pieces. All right, so we've got the battery, the AAA battery pack. Looks like it's got a little on-off switch here. It's got this little bar that crosses, which connects the two batteries together. It's got a little momentary on-off switch, which I'm assuming has to do with the activation for when the coin is in the proper position. All right, so we'll take care of that later. We got a bag of parts here, all sorts of fun parts. Let's see, we got the motor and gear assembly, and we've got some miscellaneous parts, which I'm not sure what those are for. Little axle shaft, I'm guessing that has to do with the arms. Some looks like metal support brackets, screws, and spacers of various sizes. So we have to figure out which ones are which. Comes with the obligatory screwdriver. That's always nice. A couple of pins. Looks like an arm assembly, maybe. Not quite sure. Little felt pad. Oh, you know what? These are probably, yep, little dots. So those will go on the bottom. And of course, we've got the googly eyes. You gotta have googly eyes for your robot. And then another piece of plastic, not sure what it's for. And we've got the different parts. This is part panel number 3, part panel number 2, which, oh, look at that, it's all the parts are already off of that one. And part panel number 1. So we'll start with that one, I'm sure. Here's the assembly instructions. It's all pretty much pictures. Looks like it does have a list of the parts, but it doesn't really tell you anything in English, so that's kind of not helpful. And it's just got illustrated instructions. You can see those little pads go on the bottom of the feet. That little blue bracket holds the motor assembly. And there's the, looks like an actuator of some sorts. Alright, so we'll start putting this together. I'll put this in time-lapse mode so you all don't have to spend as much time watching it as I do building it. And let's start. Alright, so here's the finished product. I'm just going to stick a couple batteries in them real quick, just like so. And like so, I've already got the switch connected, which means he should work. And a portable bank over here. And whoops, try again. As you can see, he just gobbles up the quarters. Doesn't always get in there, but there we go. Kind of hit or miss. A lot more misses than hits, but we'll try another one. Yoop. Yoop. Just fun to play with. There we go. See how he does with nickel. Oop. Almost swallows it. Dime. Oop. Dime falls out. There it goes. Okay. I'm sure a penny works. Yep. There you go. So there's our little coin-eating robot with the googly eyes. He's got to have the googly eyes. And when you're done, you just flip the switch. And it's also good to take the batteries out. That way, it's ready for the next time. And to empty them, you just turn them over and dump the coins out. Like so. Fun for kids of all ages.